Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now type Samsung Voice Recorder and download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now you need to choose Continue, tap while using the app and choose Allow. Then tap on Yes, I agree, and finally you can start your recording by tapping on this red button. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same one. If you want to end your recording and save it, click on the right button over here and choose Next at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it. Select this little icon over here and name it however you wish to, but you can also click on those three dots over here, select rename and do exactly the same. Now enter wherever you wish to, like record, and tap OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you can do that by holding it, tapping on this bin icon over here and selecting delete. But you can also click on those three dots over here and select delete at the bottom. If you wish to record even more, you need to click on this red button and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!